Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how gold is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
We use a cyanide solution to leach the crushed ore. This process safely dissolves the gold, allowing us to separate it.
Fluctuating gauge on the left array. Initiating sequence 12.
Levels are normalizing.
Monitor the benzene output closely for the next cycle.
Every bar is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how gold is made. Purification press start, from start to finish.